Well, hi everyone. This is your stay-at-home grandmom, and I'm bringing you the Cossack Planner. This is the ultimate, and I got this to review, and my granddaughter collects books as well to write in, and I don't think she's going to get this one. I might give her another one. But anyway, this is the planner, and this is 6, and it's got 272 pages, dual elastic, 2 pockets on the inside of the cover, and 2 page markers. So let's look at it, shall we? So there's the pockets on the inside. Let's see what this is. This is a thank you. And then this is a, if you're not happy, you send it back. But I'm happy with it. This is the, in case of loss on there, on this side right here. These are all the pages and what they do. And let's see what's in the back. Oh, there's another pocket back there. This one, I'm going to lift this up so you can see it. There's another pocket back there. And, let's see, what else? And then there's the notes and the mind map. And then there's the daily priorities. It has Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, blah, blah, blah. This is a nice book. It's a little, and it's a nice little bound in it. I believe this is leather. It's Cossack Planner. So if you like this, like, share, and subscribe. Leave a comment in the comments section. And I will talk to you later. I love you. Take care. God bless. Bye-bye.